Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and power. Back up to iCloud or to a Mac/PC using Finder or iTunes and make sure the battery is at least 50% charged. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and confirm you know the Apple ID credentials. Activation lock will require them. Now, open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. This path starts the erase flow. Make sure backup's completed, so you can restore later without losing photos or messages. Next, choose Erase all content and settings to begin the wipe. This is the action that removes apps, data, and settings. You will be asked to enter your device passcode, then your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This authorizes the erase. If you prefer a local copy, use Finder or iTunes to finish a backup before final confirmation, and then proceed. Once you confirm, the iPhone will prepare the data for removal, and then reboot into the erase sequence. After confirmation, the iPhone erases and then reboots to the initial setup screen. This can take several minutes, so be patient. When the setup assistant appears, you can restore from your iCloud or Finder/iTunes backup, or choose Setup as New if you want a fresh start. Enter your Apple ID to reactivate services. If the device is stuck on activation lock or asks for another Apple ID, retrieve the original credentials or, if unavailable, contact Apple with proof of purchase to remove the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.